Today I'll show you how to use Replit for C++, even if you're just getting started with coding or with Replit itself. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to get into Replit, start a project, and have your code converted to C++ using the built-in tools. First, open your web browser and go to the Replit website. On the homepage, you'll see options to either log in or sign up. If you already have an account, go ahead and log in with your usual details. If you don't have an account yet, click sign up and follow the prompts. You can usually use an email address or a third-party account to get started. Take a moment to complete that process, then confirm you're signed in by checking that your profile or avatar appears in the corner of the screen. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your Replit dashboard. This is your main hub where all of your existing projects live and where you can create new ones. To start working with C++, you'll begin by creating a new app. Look for a button labeled Create or Create App. Click that, and Replit will open a new interface where you can describe what you want to build. In this new project view, Replit may show you a prompt or an input area asking what you'd like to create. Instead of manually choosing a programming language up front, you can simply type a natural description of your idea or the task you want to accomplish. For example, you might write that you want a simple calculator, a basic game, or a small program that processes some text. The key point is that Replit no longer requires you to pick C++ at this stage. You just describe your app, and it will generate some starter code and project structure for you. After you enter your prompt, give Replit a moment to generate the project. It will analyze what you wrote and produce code that matches your description as closely as it can. Once that process finishes, you'll see your new project open in the editor. On the left, you'll see your files, and in the main area, you'll see the generated code. This initial code might not be in C++ yet, and that's expected with this workflow. Now that everything is generated, the next step is to convert the current code to C++. Replit includes AI-assisted tools and commands that you can use directly in the editor. Look for the AI or chat panel, often accessible from the sidebar or as a button within the editor. Open that panel and make sure it's focused on the file or code you want to convert. In the AI prompt area, clearly ask Replit to convert the current code to C++. For example, you can say something like, convert this code to C++ and keep the same functionality. The clearer you are, the better the result. The AI will then analyze the existing code, rewrite it in C++, and replace or insert the new version into your project. Once the conversion is complete, take a moment to scroll through the new C++ code. Check that it looks reasonable, that it compiles without obvious errors, and that the structure still matches what you intended. From here, you can run the program using the Run button, make edits to the C++ code, and continue developing your app as you normally would in Replit. No, that's the full process. Sign into Replit, create a new app by describing what you want, let Replit generate the initial project, and then use the built-in AI tools to convert that code into C++.